Oh, down at 45.
Watch the pull, watch the pull. 45. Oh!
Did it? Yeah.
Bumped it, huh? So now it's starting to bump. This is where trouble is.
Damn it. We're going too slow. That's hard. Ooh, we got one at 30. We're just going too fast. You think? We're in them again, though. We are in them.
Watch you touching the closed area. You know?
Huh?
You know?
I do, yeah.
All bitter?
Yeah. Yeah. Anywhere from Greeley.
Before boats drive by.
Because they probably just don't think there's in there's.
Oh shit!
Yeah! Woo! Yeah, boy! Get the camera! Here, can I reel it up? Can I reel it up?
Hold on. Okay, yeah, reel that up.
Nice, boy. Woo! All right, now we're back in the game. Back in the game, shorty.
Dad, can I reel it up?
Eh.
Dad, can I reel it up? Dad, can I reel it up here? Dad, can I reel it up? Here. Can I?
Another one down at 45. It's recording. Sebastian on the rod. 3 minutes left.
Oh, real. Oh, shit. Bump that.
Man line. He's right there.
Woo! Oh, that's not. We're not gonna keep that.
Yeah, boy.
We can't keep that one.
What? You might make it.
Me, Dad, me to the rescue.
Something like that.
They just keep coming out of that little bit, like a little trench right there or something. Oh, weird.
Sebastian on the pole.
Sebastian on the rod, baby. Careful with your levers. Is that what happened? Lever got long? Yeah, you learned right. Always watch those levers because you free spool, you can lock your reel up and you can't reel. You have to hand line them.
Please make it.
Come on, baby. Don't. Sure? Double check that.
So we're gonna keep it?
Want to do a catch and release video? Tell them, say this is Alaskan king salmon. It's not a legal size.
Not a legal size.
It's going back in the water.
There we go.
Smash. Should start practicing.